Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing today? So today we are making this beautiful bustier princess dart off shoulder top, and it's going to have a stylish sleeve on it. It's very beautiful style that we are making with this Ankara fabric, and it's going to also have button gathers at the under. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. You can also check our other tutorials that we have on our channel, so you can also learn how to cut these other styles that we have on my channel. So guys, keep on watching. If you're interested to know how we are able to make this beautiful style that we are making today, I'll implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end, because it's another way for you to support my channel to grow. So guys, let's get started with our tutorial now, guys.
So this is the fabric that we are using to make this princess dart bustier. So this is the fabric. So I want to arrange it so that we'll get started. So when making your up shoulder, you take away from your tape rule, and what I'm taking away from my tape rule is 4, and that is my breast point. Under bust is 12, so that's my half length. My half length there is 16, so that is the nipple to nipple center that I'm having. So that is 3.5 that I marked. So what you will do, we'll mark 1 inch, and that is my 1 inch that I'm marking, so that we'll get our bustier to cup very well. So this is what I'm doing there, and remember, it's a princess cup bustier that we are making. So, and it will have a gather at the downside of it that will complete the blouse that we are making, like the top. So this is how you go about it. So that's my bust measurement. My bust measurement is 34, please, and adding 1 inch for that my doubt that I'm having, and also for the allowance of the sewing is 1 inch that I added there. So that is what I'm doing there now. So this is how you make your own when making your own. So just watch my video to the end and subscribe to my channel, please guys. Watch it to the end. So I want to cut. So that is the cutting now. You can see the way I'm cutting it out. So that is the princess, that is the center dart that I'm making, a cup bustier. So that is what I'm doing there now. So this is how you also make your own. So under the bust, you notch the nipple to nipple point, you notch, and that's what you can see me doing there, so that you will know exactly where is the nipple point and the under bust point. So this is the center front, and this is how you will lay it when making your own. So we'll go and sew it together and iron it, and also come back to show you. So this is the front back side of it now. So just lay the front to it and have our zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I'm adding there is 1 inch, and this is how you fold it when making the back side. Use your scissors or whatever to place it so that it will not appear at the back side, that is the side of the bustier. So this is how you also make it. Remember, it's 1 inch, and I want to cut it out now. So that is the back side, my zipper side that I'm cutting out. Remember, it's up shoulder bustier that we are making. So this is the back side that we are cutting, and you can see the way I'm cutting it for you to see how it is now. That is the center back, and this is the side of it that I want to cut. You can see that I used something to place it down so that it will not appear at the back side, that the bustier. So I've cut it out. So this is how it will be by the time you go and stitch it on your machine. So I'm just showing you how it will be. So this is how you will do it and iron it out. It will be ready. So this is how you also place it. So when sewing your own, and I will take it to the machine to go and sew it. I'm just showing you how you have to place it. So now is the sewing side of it now. So I want to sew it now. So I'm joining it together. That is the front side and also to the back side. But this is my bustier front that I'm making now. Remember, it's a princess bustier that we have making, that we have a princess dart on it now. So this is how you go about it now. So this is how I'm sewing it on my machine. If you are doing your own, this is how you also go and do it on your machine. After doing that, you go and iron it out. I will iron it out and place it. So I want to show you how to cut the neck. So this is the placement now. So I'm using my front side to place at the back side of it to get our zipper side of it, and also to cut the neck. Just look at what I'm doing there now, and you see how I'm going to get my neck cut. So the neck that I'm having there is v-neck that I want to cut there now. So it's the v-neck, that is the front side. The back side is round neck. So this is how you place it. So that's my 1 inch zipper allowance at the back that I'm pointing out for you to see. So to get our neck is 1 inch that I want to mark there, and my armhole is 1 inch that I also mark and connect it together and cut. So all I'm doing here now is just for me now to place it very well so that I can do the measurement for the neck. So this is what I'm telling you now. My neck that I'm having there is 3.5. So the depth of the neck is 1 inch that I'm marking. That is the v-neck. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So this is how you have your v. Can you see what I'm doing there now? So this is my armhole. 1 inch is also what I'm marking there, and connect it to the armhole side, and also to measure the bust measurement to see whether we have any excess or what. So what I'm having there is enough for the allowance, 1 inch for the allowance. Also coming to the waistline is 1 inch, and that's my waistline is also correspond. Everything is done there. So I'm cutting my neckline now. So can you see how I'm cutting it now? That is the v-neck. So this is how you go and cut your own when making your own. So watch my video to the end and give it a thumbs up. Share to your friends please, so that they too can see it and learn from it now. So this is how you also go about it now. So this is how I'm going to go and sew the neckline and iron it out, and before you know, our blouse will be ready. So this is how you also do it when making your own. So can you see what I've done there now? So let me open it for you now to see the v neckline that we just cut now. So this is how it is now. So have you seen it now? So the next step now that we want to do now is to cut our gathers now. So I will show you what to do now. So this is my gathers. This is the length. So the width that I'm using there is 5 inch to complete the top that we are making. So I'll go to the machine and stitch it and gather it, to draw it out so that it will gather, and after that we'll use it to place on the blouse and it will be ready. So this is it now. So I've gone to the machine and draw it out. So I'm dragging it to gather it out now. So this is how you go and do your own when making your own. So have you seen it now? So this is how it is. So just do it the way you are seeing me doing it, so that you can get it when doing your own. So I'm just showing you how to gather it. You go and stitch it in your machine in 2 lines, so that it will have a 2 line, so that by the time you are dragging it, the gather will be coming out very well. That's another way to make your gathers. Don't do 1 line, just run a 2 stitch of it, so that by the time you want to gather, the gathers will come out very well. And that's what I've done there now. So this is how you go to do your own when making your own. So now I will stitch it together, and after that is the sleeve. So this is the sleeve now that I want to cut. Remember what I take out for my tape rule when making the bustier is 4. So 4 is what we're going to stitch by the time we have the excess, because it will come out. By the time I fix it, you also see what I mean for this sleeve. So it's a small cup sleeve that we are making, that will also drop at the front side. So it's the stylish sleeve that we are making on this sleeve, on this top that we are making. So this is how you do. So what I will do, I will also use it to turn another fabric, to use it to turn it out, so that it will not show like the lining. So I'm using the same fabric to do it. So this is how it is now. So it has come out, and you can see how beautiful it is.
So you can see our blouse is ready. Our Princess Dart bustier with a stylish sleeve with a button gather is ready. So we are so sorry for the sound, so sorry about that. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up, that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. We have a lot on my channel. You can also check other tutorials that we have made also, so that you can also watch them. So we have the 6 pieces skirt that we use to complete our blouse. So the skirt tutorial also on my channel. You can also watch it, so that you can learn how to cut your 6 pieces skirt. A very beautiful way, simple way for you to cut that. We have it already on my channel, so you can check it now. So this blouse is what we just made now. Hope you understood what we did. If you don't understand it, please watch it again. Another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorial down to the end, please. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Monday.